Local news for Wednesday the 13th of September. Former Secretary for the Environment and now Greater Wellington Regional Councillor Dr Roger Blakely will discuss Greater Wellington's recently commissioned NIWA report on climate projections for the Wairarapa, plus the earlier Vivid Economics Climate Scenarios report commissioned by Globe NZ and sanctioned by all parties in Parliament. The meeting is on tomorrow night at the Compthorne Solway Park at 7:30. Benchmarking themselves against other farmers was one of the big pluses in entering the Balanced Farm Environment Awards for Wairarapa farmers Mike and Liz McCreary. The McCrearys annually finish around 30,000 lambs and up to 1,500 bulls and crop on their property on the southeastern shores of Lake Wairarapa. Entries to the 2018 Greater Wellington Balanced Farm Environment Awards close on Tuesday the 31st of October. And Kidney Principal Jeff Shepherd will be leaving the South Wairarapa College at the end of January 2018. Shepherd joined Kidney in 1999 as Deputy Principal and took over the helm from Gray Tuck, who retired nearly 10 years ago. Shepherd says he's pleased to be leaving the school in such good heart. And in sport, 6 gold medals, 3 silver and 3 bronze, 11 Wairarapa records, 81 personal best times and national qualifying times, with the rewards for the Masterton Swimming Club's 18-strong team at the Wellington Short Course Champs held recently in Wellington. The club finished 8th out of 22 clubs from throughout New Zealand. They competed over 6 sessions over the last 2 weekends at the Wellington Regional Aquatic Centre. And well done to all involved. For local news and sport for Wairarapa TV, I'm Brent Gare.